Hello everyone, welcome to my 8th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wagh. In previous tutorial, we discuss all object libraries. In this tutorial, we will see the camera navigation in Lumion. Now that we have inside the build mode, how can we build control camera? The build mode has very simple interface. On the right hand side there is a set of buttons, and if we hover mouse over the question mark, some information appears that will help us. This tells us how to navigate or control the camera in Lumion. For the move camera forward, we have shortcut keys W or press arrow. For the move camera down, press S or down the arrow. Next, move the camera to left, then press A or left arrow. Move the camera right, then press D or right arrow. Move the camera up, press Q. Move the camera down, press key E. Move the camera very slowly, then press space plus W S A D Q E. It will move very slowly. Move camera faster, press Shift W S A D Q E. Then move the camera very fast, then press Shift space W S A D Q E. Then here is the press key of your interface. Take a screenshot of this. This will be helpful for your shortcut keys and camera navigation. Q W E A S D. Here is the up button. Here is down button. Here is left. Here is right button. To look around the screen, press the right mouse button and press mouse movement. Then pan your camera, press center mouse button and press mouse movement. Take a screenshot of this. Here is mouse interface. Right button looks around. Scroll button is here for front back panoramic mode. In left button, object selection are done. For the reset camera pitch to horizontal viewport, press Ctrl H. Then orbit the camera, press the crosshair and place the point of the model that you want to orbit around, or press right mouse button plus move command. Instantly teleport to position that you have clicked. Double click with right mouse button in model. Instantly move the camera to the model that you have clicked on. Double click with the left mouse button on model. Here is the shortcut keys for your Lumion library. F1 for editor quality, shadow off and some movie effect of the project. F2 key for editor quality. Then 2 star soft shadow off. F3 key for editor quality. 3 star low quality terrain and terrain shadow off. Next, F4 key for editor quality, 4 star, highly quality level. Then press F5 key for quick save. Here is the interface to exploring the interface and controlling the camera. Lumion tries to provide you a very user-friendly interface, and initially this may be confusing because you almost have no visual information and you don't know where to find menus. Lumion has 4 main menus that you can find on left hand side on the screen, and when Lumion open at new screen, the import menu is the one of the open by default. The other three menus only appears when you move the mouse and close to the import menu icons that you see on screen. The following image shows you have toolbar that appears when open each menu. Here is material editor option. Here is the movie photo settings files are available. We previously done in previous tutorial. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.